What's up, y'all? Hope you are all doing great, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic for web design, which is making your website responsive in Wix, because we believe a responsive website adapts to different screen sizes, ensuring a great user experience on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. So we've got you covered, okay? But before we jump right into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below. Do not forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And to our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and we are grateful for your continued support. Before you ever decided to make a responsive website in Wix, you might as well go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now. But don't worry, because Wix.com is compatible to any type of browsers, be it Brave, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Now, all I gotta do is create an account and sign up. Once you've done that, log in using your credentials, okay? And then hover down here to the Wix website templates, okay? Once you are on the website template, if we are here now, make sure that you put that in your mind. Making your website responsive in Wix will give you and your business advantages, ensuring a positive user experience and helping your site perform well in today's diverse digital landscape, okay? Because responsive design adapts to your website's layout and content to fit different screen sizes and resolutions, providing an optimal viewing experience for all visitors regardless of the device they use. For example, maybe let's try this one, okay? Right? Okay, let's try this template. Because remember, with a responsive design, your site can effectively reach a broader audience, including users on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. It increases your potential reach and engagement because it can accommodate an increasing number of users accessing your site from smartphones. It will ensure that your site is mobile friendly and functional. So all I gotta do is let's just skip that for now. So you have here the add elements here, you know. You can put some image, button, strip, decorative items here, the box, the gallery, and whatnot. So and after that, you can also hover here to the add section, you know. So there's a lot of things that you can toggle here while doing that. You can also add custom some elements here. You can embed hyperlinks, okay? If you wanted to go some embed a site, embed an HTML custom element, you have all these at your disposal. All right. Okay. So you can also toggle and switch to mobile. Right. Right. For example, here, you can know you have all plenty of options to check on that. And once we hover back to, this is the what's gonna look like preview for your mobile device, right? It's cool. As you can see, it's really responsive, and it can often work seamlessly across different web browsers, reducing compatibility issues and ensuring a consistent user experience. With one responsive site, you can update and maintain your content, design, and features more efficiently. You don't need to replicate changes across multiple versions of your site. And managing a single responsive site simplifies the collection of analysis of user data, and it gives you a competitive advantage over competitors with non-responsive sites. So how cool is that? Because remember, guys, in today's digital landscape where mobile device usage is prevalent, and users expect seamless experiences across devices, we have to accept that a responsive design is not just an advantage but a necessity for your website success. It will ensure your site remains accessible, user friendly, and always competitive in the online space. So, I believe that's a wrap for today's video, guys. If you find this helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. I read all of them. Thank you all for watching. You are making our community bigger every day by sharing our links to your social media platforms. I cannot thank you enough. I'll see you all in the next video.